Everything that is explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap news update on XRP. Now, take a look at today's news. U.S. Treasury approved exchange announces XRP listing. As a result of the most recent news that has emerged from the community, the price of XRP might be on its way to reaching even greater heights. Since Judge Annalisa Torres' ruling that programmatic sales did not qualify as security sales, the alternative cryptocurrency has been trading on top cryptocurrency exchanges. However, it has taken a step further with an announcement from an exchange that has been approved by the United States Treasury Department. Both of these developments are significant. On a U.S. Treasury approved exchange, XRP makes its debut. On Saturday, March 16, Atlantis Exchange announced that it would be launching XRP for trading within its platform. Atlantis Exchange is one of the few exchanges for trading cryptocurrencies that has been registered with both the United Nations and the United States Treasury. This listing is essential to the altcoin since it is one of the few exchanges that has been registered with both of these organizations. Because of this classification, XRP is now included among the approximately 50 cryptocurrencies that are currently being traded on the site. The 13th of March marked the beginning of open deposits for users, while the 17th of March marked the beginning of trading on the platform officially. In addition, it is anticipated that trading will continue for a period of 3 days before customers will be allowed to withdraw XRP tokens from the exchange, which is scheduled to launch on March 20. Furthermore, the BSC network is the network that is utilized to deposit XRP into the cryptocurrency store. Users who wish to send tokens to Atlantis need to verify that they are utilizing the BSC network to transfer the tokens. Should they fail to do so, they run the risk of losing their coins. Transactions to and from the cryptocurrency exchange cannot be carried out using the native blockchain because the XRP ledger has not yet been integrated on the platform. This means that the exchange cannot accept, there is nothing except praise. While Atlantis Exchange was announcing that the XRP token would be listed on the exchange, they also took the opportunity to commend the cryptocurrency. The fact that the token is utilized for international transactions is highlighted by the exchange, along with the fact that it can confirm transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. As for the pricing of XRP, the exchange believes that it has a promising future. Atlantis Exchange forecasted that the price of the alternative cryptocurrency may increase by a further 100 times in the post that it published announcing the listing of XRP for trade. However, even though this is a debatable possibility, it does demonstrate that Atlantis is certain that the alternate cryptocurrency will be successful in the future. When it comes to the price of the token, it has had a slow start to the week with only a slight increase of 0.42 over the previous day. However, the coin's current market value of $0.6 indicates that it has experienced a decrease of 2.5 over the past week. Nevertheless, with a market cap of $33 billion, it continues to be the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the space. And also, one of the speakers at the Newcomer Banking Summit is Monica Long, who is the president of Ripple. The issue that has been plaguing the CFB financial system is the topic of discussion among a group of peers. OLDL services provided by Ripple connect various financial services located all over the world. Monica Long, the president of the cryptocurrency startup Ripple, attended the Newcomer Banking Summit 2024 in San Francisco, California on March 14 to discuss the changes that have occurred since the SV successfully managed an account emergency. At the Newcomer Banking Summit, which took place in San Francisco last week, our president Monica Long, together with Team GECO, discussed the changes that have occurred since the CB banking crisis a year ago, as well as how blockchain technology and cryptocurrency can fundamentally enhance access to financial services. An exclusive gathering of Silicon Valley's pioneers in the financial sector will take place at the Newcomer Banking Summit 2024. The SVB financial crisis occurred exactly 1 year before the conference that took place. The purpose of this one-day summit was to emphasize the perspective of an insider on the SVB situation and to initiate talks among persons who share similar Long participated in the conversation that was titled The Future of Banking, which was moderated by Deirdre Bosa of CNBC. Other participants included Everett Cook of Rhode Island and Stefan Linter of GECO. While the primary focus of the discussion was on the modifications that have been implemented In the wake of the SVB issue, the panelists also discussed other topics that are on the horizon. One example of a topic that was the primary focus of the conversation was how blockchain technology and cryptocurrency can be utilized to enhance accessibility to financial services. Moreover, how could they accomplish this by forming partnerships with established institutions such as banks and other institutions? At this time, more than a year after the SEBI emergency, Everett Cook, CEO and co-founder of Row, will be joined by pioneers from GECO, HSBC, Bain Capital Wonders, Lux Capital, and Ripple. Long brought attention to Ripple's on-demand liquidity, which enables currency swaps that take place across international borders and use Ripple's XRP coin. The fact that there is presently competition that cannot be sustained for commercial managing account firms in Silicon Valley is one of the most important things that can be learned from this conversation. The idea that all of these banks will still be competing for SVB's business in 5 years' time is just not accepted by anyone. The XRP army has expressed its bullish mood in response to the fact that Monica Long was present at the Newcomer Banking Summit that took place. There's a special response that urges all banks to form partnerships with Ripple in order to provide more people all around the world with access to reliable financial services. For as long as anybody can remember, one of the reasons for the lackluster price action of XRP has been identified as Ripple's periodic selling of XRP tokens. The recent sale of a sizable quantity of XRP by the cryptocurrency company has once again prompted concerns regarding the potential adverse impact that this transaction may have on the cryptocurrency token. 240 million XRP have been offloaded by Ripple data stored on the blockchain reveals that Ripple carried out 2 different transactions in which it transferred a total of 240 million XRP tokens to an unknown address. A total of 100 million XRP were transferred to the address in issue on March 5th, marking the first transaction that took place. After that, on March 13, the Ripple wallet once more sent 140 million XRP to the address in question. Bernstein analysts are convinced that Bitcoin is headed for $150,000. Here's why these transactions have caused eyebrows to be raised, and members of the XRP community are considering whether or not these sales could have been the reason why the price of XRP has recently dropped. On March 11, the cryptocurrency token reached a high of 74 cents before seeing a significant decline. This is an important development. The price of XRP had a significant drop on March 5, the day that the initial transaction was completed. This is an important fact to bring out. According to information provided by CoinMarketCap, the cryptocurrency token, which had been trading at values as high as 65 cents on the day, fell to values as low as 55 cents on the same day. On the other hand, it is still unclear whether or not Ripple's conduct was directly responsible for the price drop. While this was going on, the price of XRP was quite consistent on the day that the second transaction took place, even though it was still falling from its weekly high of 7 cents, which was set on March 11. Those who are part of the XRP community continue to engage in considerable disagreement regarding the effect that Ripple's XRP sales had on the market. In favor of XRP cryptography, Jerry Hall, a YouTuber had previously asserted that Ripple was attempting to lower the price of XRP by utilizing its monthly sales. One study, on the other hand, asserts that the sale of Ripple does not affect the values of other cryptocurrencies on exchanges. Without Ripple, who would it be? It is difficult to make sense of the price activity of Ripple, especially when one considers that the fundamentals of the coin and the technical analysis indicate that it is ideally positioned for a parabolic move.